If the thought of icy sidewalks and heavy winter coats has you yearning for sunshine, you're not alone. Fortunately, you don't have to leave the United States to escape the cold. Whether you're seeking a beach escape, outdoor adventure, or cultural immersion, these 10 warm weather destinations offer the perfect winter retreat. 1. Santa Barbara, California. Just under 2 hours from Los Angeles, Santa Barbara is a coastal haven with Mediterranean charm. Stroll along the State Street Promenade to discover boutique shops, artisan eateries, and outdoor wine bars. For outdoor enthusiasts, the nearby beaches offer kayaking and paddleboarding, while the surrounding hills provide scenic hiking trails with ocean views. Don't miss Stearns Wharf for a picturesque sunset over the Pacific. 2. Phoenix, Arizona. Boasting nearly 300 days of sunshine annually, Phoenix is ideal for winter warmth. Enjoy mid-70s temperatures perfect for exploring the Desert Botanical Garden, where towering cacti and desert flora mingle with art installations. Hike the red rocks of Papago Park, or bike through South Mountain Park's extensive trail system. Golfers can tee off at world-class courses, while baseball fans might catch early spring training games. 3. The Everglades, Florida. Florida's Everglades National Park offers mild temperatures and unique wildlife during the dry winter season. With lower water levels, animals like alligators, manatees, and a variety of bird species are easier to spot. Take an airboat tour through the marshes or kayak in the mangroves. Drive down to Flamingo, the park's southern tip, to experience the subtropical wilderness where the mainland meets the Gulf of Mexico. 4. South Padre Island, Texas. Before the spring break crowds descend, South Padre Island provides a tranquil beach escape. Nature lovers can visit the South Padre Island Birding and Nature Center to observe migratory birds, alligators, and sea turtles. Enjoy long walks on pristine beaches like Isla Blanca, or venture to the quieter shores of Edwin King Atwood Park. Water activities like fishing, dolphin watching, and kiteboarding are popular here. 5. Key West, Florida. At the southernmost point of the continental U.S., Key West is a tropical paradise known for its vibrant culture and laid-back vibe. Explore the historic Old Town, visit the Ernest Hemingway Home and Museum, and enjoy fresh seafood at local eateries. The Key West Butterfly and Nature Conservatory offers a serene escape, while sunset sails provide breathtaking views as the sun dips below the horizon. 6. Palm Springs, California. Known for its sunny skies and warm winters, Palm Springs is a desert oasis with a stylish flair. Relax by the pool at retro chic hotels or indulge in spa treatments. For adventure, hike in nearby Joshua Tree National Park with its otherworldly landscapes, or explore the quirky attractions around the Salton Sea. The area's mid-century modern architecture and vibrant art scene add to its unique appeal. 7. St. John, U.S. Virgin Islands. For a Caribbean getaway without a passport, St. John offers unspoiled beauty and warm temperatures. 2/3 of the island is protected as Virgin Islands National Park, featuring pristine beaches, lush hiking trails, and coral reefs teeming with marine life. Trunk Bay is famous for its underwater snorkeling trail, while Maho Bay is perfect for spotting sea turtles in calm, clear waters. 8. New Orleans, Louisiana. While not tropical, New Orleans enjoys mild winter weather ideal for exploring its rich history and culture. Wander through the French Quarter's vibrant streets, enjoy jazz music, and savor Creole and Cajun cuisine. Fewer tourists before Mardi Gras means easier access to attractions and shorter lines at popular restaurants. 9. Maui, Hawaii. Escape to Maui for warm beaches and tropical bliss. With average winter highs in the low 80s, it's perfect for sunbathing and water sports. Kaanapali and Wailea boast beautiful beaches and resorts. Snorkel at Molokini Crater, go whale watching during humpback migration season. 10. Coastal Georgia. Georgia's coastline features charming towns and barrier islands with subtropical climates. Start in historic Savannah with its cobblestone streets and oak-lined squares. Tybee Island, just a short drive away, offers sandy beaches and a relaxed atmosphere. Explore the Golden Isles, St. Simon's Island, with its lighthouse and golf courses, and Jekyll Island, known for driftwood beach and abundant wildlife. If you enjoyed this video, then you will most certainly love to see our video on 17 places you must visit before you die. Click here to watch the video, and I'll see you there.